Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best LED off-road lights for the money. Number 1. Nilight Flood. Light up your adventures with powerful illumination designed to perform in any environment. Built with high-quality LED chips, this work light delivers an impressively bright, pure white beam that cuts through darkness with ease. The advanced PMMA lens ensures excellent light transmittance, giving you a crystal-clear view of the road or worksite ahead. With a concentrated spot beam pattern, it projects light to a much farther distance, making it ideal for night driving, off-road adventures, or heavy-duty work applications. Durability is at the core of its design. Crafted from rugged die-cast aluminum alloy, the housing is equipped with specially engineered cooling fins that provide superior heat dissipation. This not only enhances performance, but also extends the lifespan to more than 30,000 hours of reliable use. No matter the conditions, this light is built to last. Its IP67 waterproof rating means it can withstand immersion in up to 3.3 feet of water for 30 minutes, while also being fully dustproof, ensuring performance even in the toughest weather. Easy to install and highly versatile, each package includes two 18W LED work lights along with sturdy mounting brackets, giving you everything you need for a dependable lighting upgrade. Number 2. Nilight Combo. Take your lighting performance to the next level with a setup designed to deliver brightness, clarity, and reliability in any condition. Equipped with premium LED chips, this system produces a super bright and powerful white light that turns night into day, allowing you to navigate dark roads or work sites with confidence. The 72W combo bar integrates both spot and flood beams, projecting light further down the road, while also spreading a wide beam for excellent peripheral visibility. This dual-effect design ensures you enjoy a safer, broader, and clearer view wherever you go. For added convenience, the adjustable mounting bracket allows the light bar to be tilted up to 45 degrees, making it easy to redirect the beam exactly where you need it. The inclusion of two available leads with stable connectors makes powering dual fixtures under one 80W simple and secure, ensuring consistent performance without flickering or interruptions. Built for demanding conditions, this lighting set is both rugged and versatile, perfect for off-road adventures, construction work, or emergency use. Each package includes one 72W combo LED light bar, two 18W flood LED light bars, and one wiring harness kit. Everything required for a complete and dependable installation. Number 3. NAOEVO Light. Upgrade your driving experience with a lighting solution engineered for maximum brightness and durability. Featuring a 12-inch LED light bar paired with four 4-inch cube pod lights, this set is powered by 180 advanced SMD 3030 LED chips that deliver an incredible 54,000 lumens of crisp 6,500K white light. The result is a clear, bright field of vision that cuts through darkness and enhances safety and efficiency on every journey. The design combines both spot and flood beams for optimal coverage. A triple-row layout with nest reflector cups provides a focused 15 degrees spotlight for long-range illumination, while a 120 degrees flood beam spreads wide light for superior visibility around you. Broad reflective plates on both sides enhance refraction, and with a 45 degrees adjustable stand, you can easily reposition the beam direction to suit your needs. Built to withstand harsh environments, these lights feature a die-cast aluminum housing, sturdy PC lens, and advanced sealing technology with IP68 waterproofing. 10 cooling fans on the back ensure efficient heat dissipation, extending lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Versatile and easy to install, they're perfect for trucks, ATVs, UTVs, tractors, or outdoor adventures. Package excludes wiring harness. Number 4. NOVSIGHT Driving. Transform the look of your off-road vehicle while boosting safety and visibility with a lighting solution designed for performance and style. Featuring a distinctive X-line design, these LED pods add a sleek, modern touch to your vehicle's appearance while delivering powerful illumination that enhances your driving experience. Whether tackling rugged trails or navigating low-visibility conditions such as rain, fog, or nighttime roads, the intense brightness ensures a clear view ahead for safer, more confident driving. Engineered for panoramic lighting, The wide beam coverage provides expansive visibility, illuminating both near and far surroundings. This comprehensive lighting effect makes every off-road adventure not only safer, but also more exhilarating, allowing you to explore with peace of mind. Built tough with IP68 waterproof protection, the pods are designed to withstand extreme conditions, from heavy rain to dust and debris, ensuring reliable performance through every challenge. For added convenience, the set includes a yellow snap-on cover that enhances safety during harsh weather by improving visibility and reducing glare. A plug-and-play wiring harness is also included, making installation quick and hassle-free. With durable construction and superior illumination, this kit is the ultimate upgrade for your off-road adventures. Number 5. Auxbeam Amber. Illuminate your off-road adventures with powerful lighting engineered for maximum performance and reliability. Designed with premium projector optics and 5 high-intensity P8 LED chips, these compact pods deliver an impressive 9,600 lumens with 80 W of output, ensuring crystal-clear visibility during nighttime driving. The advanced TIR, total internal reflection, optics concentrate all light in one direction, increasing efficiency and reducing stray light for a cleaner, brighter beam compared to traditional optics. Combining spot and flood reflectors, the beam pattern provides both long-distance focus and wide-area coverage, making it ideal for high-speed driving and close-range visibility. For added versatility, interchangeable snap-on covers are included, allowing you to switch between white light for daily driving or amber light for foggy and dusty conditions, all without tools. Built with rugged die-cast aluminum housing, impact-resistant PC lens, and a waterproof rubber pad, these lights are made to endure the toughest off-road environments. With an IP68 waterproof rating, they remain fully functional even in heavy rain, river crossings, or muddy conditions. Easy plug-and-play installation with the included wiring harness and accessories makes upgrading your vehicle hassle-free. The package includes 2 3-inch pod lights, covers, a wiring kit, and installation tools for a complete solution. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.